Alright, it's your number one gay weirdo, Felonious blogger, getting my eardrums blasted out at the smell. I just gotta say that I don't know who your audio engineer is, your person doing the live sound, but it's really bad. The guitar is like just blasting out my ears. I can't fucking hear shit no more. But, you know, not a bad space. Way more like 70s, very 70s punk is not quite what I was expecting. And the first band sounded 70s but looked like they were from Guns N' Roses. It was kind of funny. I don't know, just out here having a good time. And you know, conoces algunos bibliotecarios gay? You send them my way, okay? I need those gay librarians. Peace.